Let your conversations be in English to the guests coming to your home.
Oh, Uncle! Do come in. It's so long since we met.
Really too long, Meena.
We thought you had forgotten all of us.
How can I, dear? Shouldn't I get some time?
Come in, Uncle. Let's sit over here.
Sure,
How's everyone at home, Uncle?
they are all fine.
Why didn't you bring Auntie and the kids?
I'll bring them on my next trip.
Couldn't you have brought Prema along, Uncle?
In fact, I wanted to.
Then why didn't you?
But she's on a tour to Ooty from the college.
Oh, I see. How's grandmother? I heard she's not keeping well.
Her old problem. Asthma.
Didn't you see the doctor?
Yes, we did.
What did the doctor say?
He said it would take some time to be fully cured.
Has Gayatri Auntie's daughter delivered?
Yes, last Monday.
Oh, I see. Boy or girl?
It's a boy.
How the mother and child?
Doing fine. Where's Shankar working now?
He's in Delhi.
Staying alone or with family?
With family, of course. Geeta's wedding is over or what?
No, it's on the coming 18th.
Where's the boy from?
From Chittoor. He's working as a pilot in Air India.
Oh, really? What a lucky girl. How's Harris? Does he study well?
Oh yes, he's first in class, you know?
Really?
Yes, his teachers are very fond of him.
Oh, it's good to hear that. And what about Preeti?
She is not that good, like her mother.
Oh.
Meena, where's your daughter Tanuja?
She's gone to school.
In which class is she now?
She's in the second.
How is she at her studies?
Quite brilliant.
Very good.
Uncle, what about Sharda's wedding?
There are quite a few proposals coming, but
But what?
everyone wants 1,200,000. How can I make so much money?
Has Radha's husband come from Dubai?
Yes, he has.
How about telling him about a job for Sri Ram?
I have told him, and he has promised to try.
Did you attend Ravi's wedding?
Yes, I did. Your auntie also came.
How was the function?
It was grand.
And where was the wedding?
It was at the bride's residence.
Uncle, do you really have to go back today itself?
Of course, I have to, dear.
Can't you stay back for 2 days more?
No, I don't have enough leave, Meena.
So, Uncle, when are you coming next?
Next summer, most probably.
Bring Auntie and the kids too, won't you?
I'll certainly do that.
Don't you feel now that you can also proudly speak to your guests in English? If so, here are some more conversation guides for you to learn.
Why don't you rest for some time, Uncle? You have been traveling for long.
I think rest will do me good.
Where's Ravi? Gone to the office?
Yes, he'll be back for lunch.
How do you have your bath, Uncle? In hot water or cold?
Could you get me some warm water?
Here's your tea.
Thank you.
How is Raju's business going on?
Very well, by the grace of God.
Come on, uncle. Let's have lunch.
Oh, I just had my lunch. Don't insist, please.
Why don't you drop in once in a while?
We are coming there for Deepavali.
Would you ask Murli to call on me?
I shall.
Uncle, do write as soon as you reach.
I shall, dear.
Do give my regards to auntie and children, won't you, uncle?
Sure, dear.
Tell Radha to write to me once in a while.
I'll tell her that. It's time for the train. May I leave?
Okay, uncle.
Complaint from a working woman. Today is a holiday. When she thought of having a relaxation today, her husband is not allowing.
Nancy, get me some coffee.
Sorry, dear. The milk is over.
Make some black coffee.
I shall.
Nancy, get me today's newspaper.
It's on the table.
Did you see my specs?
Oh, then what's on your nose?
Oh, I forgot it. Get my shirt.
Sorry, dear. It's not ironed.
Why didn't you, Nancy?
There was no power.
Get me the electricity bill.
Here it is.
Is today the last day of payment?
Yes.
Nancy, get me the needle and thread.
What for, dear?
To fix my shirt button.
Give it to me. I will do it.
Nancy, get my umbrella.
Vinod took it last week.
Hasn't he returned it yet?
Not yet.
Get my watch.
Here it is. Are you going out?
Yes, I'm going for a round.
Be back before lunch.
Sure. Nancy, get my shoes.
Don't you see I'm busy in the kitchen? Can't you take it yourself?
You can irritate many people in this way. If you are sitting simply, just give a try.
Please get me your pen.
I shall.
Get me the toothpaste, will you?
I think it's over.
Get me the cigarette, please.
I'll get it now.
Get the iron, please.
It's under repair.
Please get us some tea.
I'll bring it now.
Did you make chapati?
I'm baking it, dear.
Then hurry up with it, will you?
Are you feeling hungry?
Oh yes, I am. Did you prepare the curry?
No, I didn't.
Then what's the delay?
The servant hasn't returned from the market yet.
Did you clean the wash basin?
No, I didn't.
Why didn't you?
There's no water in the tap.
Did you grind the masala?
I'm about to.
Don't delay then.
Why?
The fish will go stale. Did you boil the rice?
Yes, I did.
Serve it then. I'm feeling hungry.
Just wait. Let the sambar be ready, okay? Did you buy the milk?
No, dear, I didn't.
Go buy it then.
Oh yes, I shall. Did you have dinner?
No, not yet, dear.
Why didn't you have it?
I'll have it after my bath.
In this way, you can also try to converse in English from kitchen.
Did you make tea?
No, I didn't.
Did you grind the chutney?
Yes, I did.
Did you prepare sambar?
Yes, I did.
Did you scrape the coconut?
No, I didn't.
Did you knead the flour?
No, I didn't.
Did you peel the onions?
Yes, I did.
Everyone in home will be happy seeing their servant. It's not because of love towards her, but thinking they can relax well, after putting all household works in her head.
Didn't you chain the dog?
Yes, ma'am. I did.
Then go open the gate.
I shall.
Didn't you switch off the bathroom light?
Oh, sorry. I forgot, ma'am.
Then go switch it off.
I shall, ma'am.
Didn't you sweep the rooms?
Yes, I did.
Have you mopped the floor?
I'm going to do it now.
Didn't you change the tablecloth?
No, it looks clean, ma'am.
But we'll have some guests today.
Then I will change it now.
Didn't you powder the wheat?
Yes, I did.
Then sift it.
I will do it now, ma'am.
Didn't you wash the clothes?
No, not yet.
Then don't do it today.
Why, ma'am?
It's cloudy and I think it may rain now.
The chili powder is over, ma'am.
What? I bought a packet yesterday.
It's not to be seen here.
Well, check the shelf. I kept it somewhere there. Didn't you milk the cow?
Yes, I did, ma'am.
Did you boil the milk?
I'm boiling it.
If it is a house where there is no servant to talk like this, then speak to the homemaker.
Didn't you sweep the yard?
Yes, I did.
Didn't you iron my shirt?
No, I didn't.
Didn't you buy any apples?
No, the shops hadn't any.
Didn't you clean the bathroom?
Yes, I did in the morning.
Husband and wife. The bachelors need not frown by hearing this. This portion is meant for you too.
Darling, did you get your bonus?
No, I didn't.
Will you buy me a saree when you get it?
Sure, I will. Nancy, tea is not sweet. Get some sugar.
Sorry, dear. Sugar is over.
Why didn't you tell me earlier?
Oh, I forgot.
Is breakfast ready?
It's getting ready.
What's for breakfast today?
Idli.
Nancy, has the fish vendor come?
Yes, he has.
What fish did you buy?
Prawns.
Nancy, did you give the servant's salary?
Yes, I did.
Have you paid the milkman?
I paid him also.
Nancy, has Daisy come?
She just came.
Would you please call her?
She's in the bathroom. Do you like to have lunch now?
No, not now.
Why, dear?
I'm not feeling hungry.
The grocery is here.
Find out the bill amount.
650.
Pay him 500 now. And tell him the balance will be paid next month. Are you going to see off your auntie?
Yes, I am.
On your way back, get my clothes from the laundry.
Sure, I will.
It is not necessary that you can say this to your wife itself. If you get chances, you can speak to anyone in this way.
Are you going to bathe?
No, I'm not.
Are you going to the beauty parlor?
No, I'm to the supermarket.
Are you going to light the lamp?
Yes, I am.
Are you going to change?
Yes, I am.
Are you going to sleep now?
No, I'm not.
Are you going to put on the TV?
Yes, I am.
Are you going to serve dinner now?
Yes, I am.
When friends meet, they will have a lot of matters to share in between them. Various matters of their society, their homes and also about themselves. By sharing this way, they will turn the private news into gossips.
Has your sister come from England?
Yes, she came the day before yesterday.
How many children she has?
2. A boy and a girl. Haven't you heard about Julie?
No. What about her?
She eloped
With whom?
with Andrews.
Would you like a cigarette?
Yes, I don't mind.
But you told me you stopped smoking.
Yes, I stopped for about a year, but started again. Matches, please.
Here it is.
Thank you.
It's all right.
Do you know John Master's phone number?
I know his office number. It's 2255.
Residential number?
Oh, sorry. I don't know.
How old is your child?
She just completed 2.
Does she talk?
Yes, she talks a little. Had you ever been to Grand Hotel?
Yes, many times.
Do you know, the proprietor is my brother-in-law?
Oh, I see. I have seen him, but not met.
Isn't she your neighbor?
Yes, she is.
Where's she working now?
She's working in Dubai.
Are you alone in the house?
Yes, I am alone today.
What's happened to your family?
They have gone to my in-laws' house.
We may have lots of questions and answers to do with our friends. Some can be of this way.
What's happened to your promotion?
It's held in abeyance.
What's happened to my fridge?
Oh, the motor's burned out, I think.
What's happened to Sina?
She sprained her ankle.
What's happened to the elections?
It's postponed.
What's happened to your application for loan?
It's not sanctioned.